moving.
Oh, Jake.
Oh, look who's here. The man of the day.
How are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Hey, Kool-Aid.
Yeah.
Do you think I should put the washboard video or the Evangelina video
The
first?
washboard.
Washboard?
This is
Why?
definitely like, I feel like it fits more than music and fun. I mean, they're both great. I feel like the washboard might take people more by surprise.
Okay.
You know? Because ukulele is more just like, ukulele.
Banjo.
Yeah.
It's a 101-year-old banjo.
Really? I think they're both great. I don't know. They're both really good.
I'm not advocating for it. I think Evangelina is cool.
I think both. I mean, I'm fine with either, honestly. He's impressive, that's for sure.
Yeah, he's got it.
He's 2 years older than me.
You don't look a day over 51.
Yeah, you look pretty young for your age, Jay. How old are you?
81.
81?
Yeah, he's older than Jeff. Isn't that
You're
crazy?
kidding.
I'm older than Jeff.
Wow.
I thought you were like 70.
I thought you were like 60.
Yeah.
I was joking with
Thank you guys for the compliment. My father died 105 and nobody believed it.
105? I believe it. My grandmother died at 100 and a week.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then he didn't look for a day older than 60.
I believe it.
You got Hillary.
Huh?
You made it up.
Yeah.
Hey, you need help with?
No, she
Okay.
I can't do
Taking
Second video. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I can't do the one.
Hey, you're okay.
It's tricky.
No problem.
Alright, good night, everybody.
I'll have a good one.
Bye, bye.
Take care.
Bye.
You know, say,
See you later, Hillary.
It's super
Alright, you
different
really
the
do look young
space.
for your age. I used to think you were like 70 maybe.
No.
Not 80 or something.
81.
You're much better mood than Jeff is.
81 and around the corner is 82.
I can't believe you're older than Jeff. You look a lot younger than Jeff. Age really can be just a number. Huh?
Yeah, but Jeff is always in a bad mood, that's what happened.
Yeah, because Jeff's really grumpy for his age.
Grumpy asshole.
Why? What did he say to you?
No. I didn't mean to say that, but I say grumpy. Grumpy, whatever. As long as you're grumpy, you gotta do something grouchy.
Grouchy,
yeah. Grumpy's different.
That's what I meant to say. Grumpy.
He is grouchy.
Grumpy.
He's kind of both.
It's GG.
Sometimes.
Depends what mood he's in.
Yeah.
Man, he's like trying to help me. He's like, "Man, Dave, we used to just shut up and do it by ourselves." And I'm just like, "Thanks, Joe. That really helped."
It's like right now, I'm sitting in his chair, right? I saw him coming out, and I know that his chair. Just say, chair, you know that this is my chair. I said, you see me coming, you see me getting off. You see my butt is about almost 9 inches away from the chair.
I'm at the bottom of
you know I'm getting up, so you know what the hell you're talking about.
I'm at the bottom of the totem pole and the seats outside. So if
Me
like,
too.
Everybody comes out like you gotta move.
I don't even get a seat out there. I don't even get to sit
Kool-Aid
down
doesn't
out there.
even get a
I'm
seat.
here.
Hello,
Hello, how are you?
Hello.
And then, you know what I mean? I said, you see, my butt is almost up there already. I mean, I'm almost standing up with my 2 feet.
Yeah.
And you tell me that? I mean, you know, oh no, he behave with me because you know he can't fight with me because if he goes to jail, I go to jail. So
Oh, you guys are.
then we finish it at jail. You know.
Then we finish in prison.
Oh my God.
I
It's the Van Morrison situation all over again.
Jeff's like, "I'll break your legs and then your knees when I'm done
Oh
with
my
you." Jeff's got the prison shanks.
You know. So what are you talking? What are you on Al Capone or something like that?
Jeff will be like, "I carved this sitar out of a soap bar."
Oh no. That's a giant sitar. Oh,
My sitar. I made it out of the sitar soap bar.
They play with that shit.
What, this sitar? Yeah.
Yeah, they play with that piece of sister.
Oh my goodness. No, we were closed yesterday. We were here yesterday. Yeah. No, but nobody was here yesterday. It's Sunday. It's closed. Saturday.
Saturday,
Yes, how's it going?
the other guy, what's his name? The other guy. Yeah.
Adrian.
Adrian.
Yeah. We also have it downstairs as well with percussion. Yeah. And someone told me it was silk.
That's amazing.
Silk is very strong. Quite good.
All right, Jeff. I got all the synthetics. I mean, I got all the
Yeah,
frets
get
on.
it. Yeah, frets.
Hey, what's up?
I just want to do that to all.